Hi, I'm Kerstin Beckley, website creation coach and your click-by-click tech guide. I had a question in my free Facebook community for Squarespace newbies, how to do a pricing table. And it's quite easily done in Squarespace without using any code. No coding required at all. And I want to show you today how I did it click by click. So let's do it.
Okay, so here we are. Here I would have, for example, 3 choices. This could be your pricing table. Add the price, edit your copy, and have a button there, buy now. So I'm going to show you how I did it or how I would do it to replicate this. There's one option, so this is option 1, but there is another option I will go through later after this one. Okay, let's start. So I'm going to go into edit, and I'm going to go on the little drop here, and I'm going to add an image. So in this case, I'm going to just add the same image here and find it now. Click add an image. There it is. Click on it and click open. And then wait. And now, before we click apply, we're going into design. This is uploading now. There you go. It has uploaded. And we click into design. And now I'm going to go on stack and see how I can now, let's say I would like to sell something, and the website done for you is, let's say, 1175. And here write a little description. Let me just quickly get it. So let's say this is my description, and I might copy this one here as well. There you go. Hang on, this is not what I wanted, so I'm going to put that in here into the smaller writing. And now I'm going to, just for you, just to show you, I'm going to put a spacer here so it makes it a bit smaller, otherwise it's a bit difficult for me to show you. Now, that's it. That's my first pricing table. So if you want to have a button there as well, hang on, sorry, go back into design and see how it says click on image link button. Look at that, just like that. And here you can just write in buy now, when people can click into it. And that link, now you can add your click-through URL. In my case, this would be, for example, into your shop. So let's say you have created a shop first. You have created your product page, which there's also a video on that here on my YouTube channel. Yes, actually there is a free online course how to do that. I'm going to link that up below this video here as well, just so to show you. So hang on a second. I just thought of that, see? There you go. Click the URL here, click into open a new window, because you might want your people to come back to this page as well. So this may be a little bit of too much text. I am going to edit that later to make it a bit smaller. So let's say I'm gonna just leave it like that. See? So click, actually not click save yet, click save in between, just in case Squarespace struggles a little bit or your internet breaks or cuts out. That way you have it saved and you won't lose it. So now I'm going to add another one. So let me do that. Add a different image. In this case, I'm going to add, let's say, a one-on-one call. Why not? And again, I'm going to just quickly look for the copy so I can show you how I would add that into it. One-on-one call. There you go. Take action, and that's directly into my shop product page. But again, there is a free online course, a free mini course, which I'm going to link up here below to show you how to add your product to your Squarespace website click by click. So make sure to grab that. Okay, so we're going to go into design again. I'm going to go into the stack again. I'm going to add a button as well, might as well, but for now I'm going to also just add the text here. Sorry, that's going to go into the button. Do that again. So we have that added, and I'm going to do the button text again, like this, buy now, open in a new window, and I'm going to add the content here. So let's say this is my one-on-one calls. So right here, a little description. Let me quickly grab that here. Or do we have a nicer description here? A bit of a shorter one. Let me see. Yes, let's do that one. So let me see. I'm going to probably, do I need to do any bolds here? You are new to Squarespace, but are determined to take website control. Take website control and build your own site. There you go. So you don't have to pay a website designer ever again. Maybe I just write that. See, there you go. Click apply and click. Actually, I'm going to get rid of that so I can show you right beside it. So hang on. See? Now I'm going to just add another one here, and then after that I'm going to just make sure adjust the text to make it the same size. So let me add another one here. Image again. Add an image. Okay, here we go. The easy peasy website creations image for the online course. I might actually put that into the middle like I did here. See, that's in the middle. So we wanted to make it kind of the same. But this time we're going to add the price, so it looks like a pricing table. And again, we're going to go into design, into the design tab, stack it, add a button, and then click write the button text buy now, and again click through URL. In this case it is another product, let's say spill the beans, here to all the course details, so people can have a look first, check out everything that's included in the online course, as well as the modules one by one. So you would do the sales page first, and then link it to it. So in this case, I'm going to just paste the course details link, open in a new window, and click apply. Actually, we forgot the content, so let's go back into it. I'm going to move that over here and add the content. And this online course is 497. And again, we're going to add the quick text to very quickly tell your people already what this course is all about. So in your case, obviously that would be your product. So let's add that. We don't have to make that bold. And again, click apply. So now you take a little bit of time to adjust the text to make it all the same size. So let's say I would get rid of this, and I would make this look, get rid of the spacer here. See, so that looks quite good already. So yeah, and I'm gonna click save now, and then I wanted to show you something else. So yeah, that's how I did it without the price, because that's just my work with me page. I want people to click into it and then get all the details first, and then they get the price, because I would like them to get the info. So usually I don't necessarily have it like that, but there's also another option which I am going to do, have all my products on the one page. And the way to do that is, first of all, again, in the mini course, in the free mini course, I'm showing you how to add your products, which is in pages. And here you're going to, in the not linked section, go into the plus sign and then add your products like that, and then it creates a shop like this here. So once you have a shop created, there is another really easy way to share your products on a one overview page. It is kind of like a pricing table. It is just a couple of clicks. So let me show you. What I would do is I would click on the plus sign here, click on page, and then let's say we're going to call this products, and I'm going to call it products 1 because I have already another page called products. So, and then you get a new page here, click on the drop menu. You would also have created, if you already have created a shop, let me actually just quickly show you how that would look like. So for example, this is my shop. And how to create that, I'm showing that to you click by click in the mini course. So once you've done that, you can then share your products, including the price, like a pricing table from your Squarespace website by just adding a page like I just did. Click on the drop sign here, and then click on summary, click on grid, and then click on scroll down here. See where it says product and shop. Click on it. See how the pictures just appear like magic there? Click apply. click done, and you have your shop page created just like that. You can then, if you want, change it around a little bit, click on edit and see in your layout how you would like that to look. So for example, you can make that square. In my case, that doesn't quite work like that. You can make the column width a bit smaller if you want, but that doesn't really work, does it? So we're gonna leave it like that. The gutter width is the in between here, so I'm gonna make that a bit smaller. I'm going to make that in 3.2, so they're all the same size. Move that away here. See how that is not the same size? And if I didn't do that, if I clicked on auto, that would have been too long, so I don't like that. I'm gonna go into the 3.2 standard. So text size medium, I'm gonna leave it like that. Text alignment, I'll leave it like that as well. But here again, you can just change it all around the way you want. And then we can click into display and see if you would like to show the title. In case you have it already on your image here, like I do here, I wouldn't necessarily have to show the title here, but on this image I didn't, so I'm just going to show the title, show thumbnail. I definitely want to show the thumbnail because I like the pictures, and then show the excerpt. That's because of my shop description, which again, I'm showing you how to do that in the mini course. And I'm not going to do anything here. I leave it as it is, and there you go. And that's it, done. Apply and click save, and there you have your products all on the one page, like a pricing table, a little description which you can also untick, so if you don't want the description there, if you want people to click into it, and that's it, done. I hope this helped. I hope I wasn't too confusing. And yeah, make sure to ask me any questions in the comments below if you would like me to create another tutorial on a different issue you may have with Squarespace or Mailchimp or anything you want where I can help you. I would love to help you. I would love to connect. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. I have new tutorials every week on my new YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe and click the little bell beside the subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, join me in my free Facebook community of new Squarespace users, like-minded new entrepreneurs, for support and help and tips and tricks. And also make sure to grab their free mini course on how to sell your products through your Squarespace website. So let's do it. Let's make it happen with Squarespace. Talk to you soon.